Pathlock's easy-to-use home screen and menu structure allows for a streamlined user experience. On the home screen, we have the ability to pin key dashboards, reports, and screens that we would like immediate access to upon login. As seen here, we've chosen to include two different risk dashboards, our inbox of pending items. And if we scroll down, we additionally have tagged a few favorite screens and have a running list of scheduled reports and event subscriptions. In particular, favorite screens are an excellent option for those screens that we frequently visit and do not want to follow the menu path to access them repeatedly. Now, as we navigate through the menu on the left-hand side, you'll notice that we first have the option to search. This feature allows us to search for a preferred screen without navigating the menu. As seen here, it's a simple open text field that will return options for your selection. Should we choose instead to navigate through the menu, we can see that we first have our inbox, which houses our pending tasks. These tasks can include user access reviews, mitigating control extension reviews, elevated access requests, and access provisioning requests that are awaiting our approval. We can view all request types, or by utilizing the buttons or the search bar along the side, we can filter for specific request or review types. For requests, we are presented with information including the request ID, the username for the user that is requesting access, the risk level, if it's applicable, the type of request, the current workflow step that the request is at. For example, if a request is sitting with a manager for approval, the waiting for column, the waiting since column, which can indicate the date and timestamp of when the request was created. This is very helpful because it can help us to prioritize addressing oldest requests first to clear out our queue. And then the last column indicates high-level information such as the count of roles requested for a particular application or the control that is being triggered by a particular request. For additional information, we can also hover over the page icon. When looking at waiting reviews, we'll see slightly different information. We can see the request ID again, the process name. This indicates the type of review, be it an access risk analysis report of risks or mitigating controls, or it may be for a user access review of a particular system. Waiting since is again going to indicate when the review was created. Current step will show where in the review process the request stands, and waiting for will indicate who the reviewer is for the current step. Number of authorizations is very helpful in that it shows the size of the review, the total count of the line items that must be reviewed. This, in addition to the time and date stamp, can assist us in determining our priority for addressing each outstanding review. And lastly, we have hyperlinks to access the details of the reviews or to reassign the review to another responsible party. This concludes our overview of the inbox, and returning to the home screen is as easy as clicking on the home icon on the menu. This simplified navigation is meant to enhance the user experience and ensure ease of use for all of our end users.